6. In a biscuit factory. A biscuit is so crisp and tasty. We all love biscuits. We get different types of biscuits in shops. They come in colorful packets. They are made in a factory. But how are biscuits made in a factory? Let's find out. Get a recipe. Get the ingredients. Things that go in a biscuit shapes. Decide how much of each to use. Weigh each ingredient. Mix the things and make a dough. Knead the dough. Roll out the dough. Cut out the dough into biscuit shapes. Bake the dough shapes in an oven. Cool the ready biscuits. See if the biscuits are done baked properly. Pack the biscuits into packets. Store and sell the packets.